Hi everyone, here we are sharing the template on comparing numbers, how to use it on an erasable template, okay, which is made out of a cardboard and the paper. Okay, now in regards to this comparing numbers, we are referring to the relevant theology on this component on comparing numbers up to 10, and we are looking at this particular template to replace the E11, and for us to use it with reference to the next few textbook pages. Okay, you can refer to a theology guide or more subject here. Okay, so over here, this is the template. The focus is on the few skills. Okay, and this helps us to lead on with reading and also conceptual building of comparing, and thereafter also build the foundations for model drawing later on. Now, basically, comparing numbers, there are three ideas that we want to highlight. So from match, count, and compare to count and then compare. Okay, these are some of the ideas. Match, count, and compare. So the idea of one-to-one correspondence to counting as a whole. Okay, and also the next idea is always beginning with asking the question, are two sets same and how are they different? Okay, so we could use this together with template at the same time. There are many ways of using this, like the earlier video on using the template. This one as a conceptual daily drill. So as this template or any other templates. Now, I'm going to show you a few ways of using the template. One is during the beginning of introducing one-to-one correspondence, or consolidating that, or using as a discussion or thinking loud, such as this. Okay, now with the rabbit, for example, okay, you could hold it this way or hold it this way. But the key idea with one-to-one correspondence is by matching. Okay, so we could use the cubes to help. Okay, so as you go along with the one-to-one matching, you could draw one carrot and one rabbit, one carrot and one rabbit, one carrot and one rabbit in such manner. Okay, to show, and then thereby after transferring to this. So for example, I would say this is rabbits. Okay, let's zoom it up. Okay. Okay, so we have rabbits and carrots. Okay, you can read in this too. And as you show, you can transfer the cubes. Rabbit, carrot, rabbit, carrot, rabbit, carrot. Okay, for a little fast forward, I'm going to just stop at this tree. Okay, and then the one-to-one correspondence can be drawn in this manner. Okay, we match it in this way. Okay, and you can see that it's like almost like bar model, and you can almost see it's almost like an equal sign in a way, and then you can fill in the number of rabbits. Okay, and it's the same as number of carrots. Okay, that's for example. You could actually turn it this way. And two. Okay, you can continue to do a few more with the flowers example or any other examples. You can also use this as part of the daily practice drill, like say, okay, let's compare the two numbers, say numbers 5 and numbers 2. Okay, you can do it by shading or by marking dots. That works as well. Okay, of course, for beginning, as a task that to start off, we strongly encourage working with concrete manipulatives first. Okay, and you can do that. And then the one-to-one correspondence, and June will be able to see the extras here. Okay, now over here, just want to highlight this idea of emphasizing the question on saying, are the two sets the same? How are they not the same? How are they different? Okay, this sets a good foundation. This sets a good foundation for future understanding of more than, less than, as well as sum and difference. Okay, so some of the keywords. Okay, so this also useful as a discussion that you can use for this, such that you discuss this in class as a task, as a classroom discussion. Now, who has more chocolate bars? And when you're transferring to over here, you could also ask the children if it makes sense to do a comparison in this manner. So you can have 4 for Raju and then 4 representing Singh, and you can understand that is this a valid comparison. You can elicit responses about making sure they have the start point at the same time the spaces, okay, for meaningful comparison. Okay, so of course, if you were to refer to the learning guide and also other guidance phrases, guiding questions that may be useful, let me share this one. This again, may be useful comparison. Okay, here. Here are some ideas of how we can do that comparison. Okay, just a little bit more on the ideas. Here's something to share from my book. My book here. Okay, so some few key ideas again. So as the buildable component is the same principles of first match, mix, count, and then followed by compare. So one thing I would recommend is that you continue, you go through the questions, we highlight again the way of reading out. So for example, by stating that how is not saying whether 5 is possible, so carry out the extra hours and see how different students may give you different ideas of how they compare and how they identify um, more and less. Okay, here's some ideas as well. For example, here, okay, you can use a number line. So a quick extra bit of ideas I have regarding comparing ordering numbers. Okay. All right.